Stop. If your cat makes this sound, don't ignore it. That fast chattering noise, it's not random. Your cat is in full hunting mode. Its brain is literally practicing the kill. Now listen, if your cat is purring, don't assume it's happy. Cats also purr when they're stressed or in pain. And this one surprises everyone. That soft trill sound, that's how mother cats call their kittens. Yeah, your cat is calling you like a baby. But if you hear hissing or a low growl, stop immediately. That's not attitude. That's a warning. Same cat, completely different messages. So next time your cat makes a sound, don't just hear it, decode it.